Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss whether you can log into your account on Cashapp using your Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cashapp application, and once you're inside the login screen, you will see that there are various different methods of logging in. Now, if you created your account using your email address, then you can use your email address to log in order to authorize with your verification code. Now, within the login page, you will see the phone or email option. You can tap on Use Email if you wish to use your email address, and you can tap on Use Phone if you wish to use your phone. If you tap on the question mark icon at the top right corner, you will only find the option which says I need help logging in. So this means that there is no option or feature that allows you to log in using your Facebook account for your Cashapp. So if you already have your profile saved, you can simply tap on it, and you will need to verify your login through the confirmation code that will be sent to your email or your phone number. Once this code has been entered within the confirmation box, you can tap on the next button and your login will be verified. And there you have it. Those are the only two methods that you can use in order to log into your Cashapp account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.